Hello students, I hope you are all doing well and welcome to the Darling Urdu channel. This is Imran and this channel is dedicated to teaching learning Urdu. And today in this video we will try to learn something about these four Urdu letters: Seen, Sheen, Swad and Zwad. Now these are two letters, seen and sheen. I'm showing you these two letters together so that you can compare them. You can see there is nothing above, and there is nothing on top of seen, and there are three dots on top of sheen. The sheen has three dots on top, and the arrangement of dots is like this: one dot is above and two dots underneath this one dot. So this is sheen. This is 18th letter, and how can you write it? I am telling you now. So writing seen, you write just u and write another u and connect it to the first u, and now connect the ball like structure to this w, because you can see it has become w, or it looks like w. Is a letter, so you can connect ball like structure to it. Now this is ball like structure. Now you can see it resembles the shape of scene. This is scene. So I am explaining it to you this way so that you can understand how can you write scene, or you can understand, you can memorize the shape of scene. This is scene. This is w like structure, and connect ball like structure to it. Now you can write scene in this way. So this is scene, and now it resembles scene. This is scene, and it is used to express c sound, c like this type of sound. Now next letter is sheen. Basic structure. The basic structure of seen and sheen is the same. You can see this is seen, and put three dots on top, so it becomes sheen. This is 19th letter, sheen, and it is used to express sh sound. Now next letter is swad. This is swad, and this is 20th letter of Urdu alphabet. And now let me explain how can you write swad, or how can you remember the shape of swad. Now draw a balloon like structure, or draw a balloon horizontally like this, and again connect ball like structure to it this way. Now you can see it looks like swad. So I'm telling you, I'm explaining it this way, it becomes easier to understand and it becomes easier to memorize it. So it looks like swad. This is swad. Swad, it is used to express sound. Now next letter is Zwad. The basic structure of Swad and Zwad is the same, just this dot makes a difference. Zwad has a dot on top. This is Zwad, and this is 21st letter of Urdu alphabet. This is Zwad, and it is used to express z sound. So students, I hope you have enjoyed learning these letters, and please keep practicing. Practice makes perfect. Through this channel, we will also try to learn other aspects of Urdu, such as reading, writing, making words, forming sentences, grammar, and so on. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in next video.